Hi everyone, so this is my first get ready video. Did I say it right? Yeah. Hi everyone, so this is my first get ready video with me where I am going to share my journey with how it all started and how I became what I am right now. Well, it's not so much interesting, but I think you'll be wanting to learn with some people who are still new in the industry, who wants to grow and we're freshers. And I know this is not a content which I post regularly, and this I was been off a lot lately, but I think let's get into it while I get ready because it's already 12:40 and I have a shift at 1 o'clock. So let's get started. My journey started at 2020 when I was looking forward to go for some college, but I just passed out of 12th standard and I still had no idea what I'm gonna do. Actually, that is very true because I know this is not interesting. But like I've seen people saying, I've been cooking since 6. I've been cooking for 10, and it was from childhood. I'm in the kitchen and I'm doing all the stuff. I used to love being in the kitchen. No, that's actually not my story, and I know how it's sounding right now. At the same point, I don't know. The font, I always loved kitchen. It's not that I never loved it. I loved my food because I was a little picky eater. Not so much, okay? Not so much. But a little bit. Because I remember my tiffins, how I used to bring back my tiffins when I didn't used to get what I wanted to get for the tiffins. If it's not tasty, I won't have it. If it's not this, I don't like this. But I never went to the kitchen and cook because, well, I tried to do that, but I couldn't at the point. Well, I was so stubborn. No, I won't do it just because I'm a girl and all this stuff. But as I started growing up, I started loving food. I started loving the taste, how the food acquire, visiting local new cafes which is in the town. It's like sounding like a total girly thing and everything. But yeah, I always loved it. Trying new thing was my best go-to thing to do. And the next thing I knew was watching TLC, food channels. I used to binge watch food channels. It was like my absolute favorite. And I know many people who are not in the food industry, they also love to watch it. But I was different. I used to watch, I used to compare, and I used to think, oh my god, she's doing this, she can do that, and everything. And meanwhile, when it was time to get, my mama said, why don't you try doing that? Anyway, don't enter into the kitchen, but if you want, you can try. I said, no, I don't want to go in the kitchen and everything. But then I said, why not? Why, should I try this? Should I go into that? But I was so scared because I was like, what if it doesn't work out? What if I'm not made for it? What if I'm another person who is just interested in the watching videos and not actually doing it? I don't want it to waste my year, my time in doing all this and then realize that I failed because the only thing I fear the most in life is failing. That was my thing. What if I fail in being the person? I said, why not? Let's give it a try because I talked to some people I went online, I saw some people, I talked to them, I saw the interviews, I saw what they do, what they don't do it. And then I'm like, I think I can do it. I was so skeptical, I was so scared at the moment. But finally, I started it. I went to the college, got my admissions, shifted from a country, from a state to another state and started my journey. But there is a twist. It was COVID. So good luck me. And it was online classes, there's nothing else. I want to do a diploma first. So I took admission in diploma. Never went to college, only went to college for 2 days. Can you believe? 2 days. I'd start, and then after the COVID was started to get off, we went to college for a month, but it was not. 1 second. So yeah, I took admissions. I did that when COVID was worst, but Then I got my hopes high, like I'll do industrial training. There, many people used to scare me off, like industrial training. People leave it, this happens, that happens. This is very toxic. You have to work for 15 hours. I was a little scared because standing 15 hours for a new person is very rare. As coming from a family who is not in the hotel industry at all, it was very scary. But then, yes, I went there and you can see where I am. And rest of the things I'll share in my next video if you want to know more what actually happened in the training and what was I planning to do and what I did is way different. So stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Yes, I did not get ready, but I am getting ready and I'm getting late. So I'll see you. Bye bye.